Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Canon SX730 HS. It has 40 times optical zoom and more. So on the lens, there are 40 times. But before we continue anymore, don't forget to go down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell. So let's go into it. So below here is the battery and the SD card. So right here is the battery, if I can get it out. Just a normal Canon battery right there. So yeah, it's pretty normal. And then here's the charger for it. Just put in there, and then you have this little thing right there. Pretty neat. So yeah, charge and full right there. So really easy to use. Slide back in there and locks in place. And then here's the SD card. I don't know why I'm showing you this, but it just goes right back in there. If I can get it in there. Okay, and then you just lock it in place. So there's where you can put on a tripod, microphone right there, on, zoom to take a picture to record, and those are a bunch of settings that I'll go into later. And it does have a flash right there. That's pretty good, neat. And of course it has the flip screen right here, so you can vlog and all that stuff. So now let's go on to the actual camera. And so here we are. Hit that, or that's the record. So if you click that, that's where you go in. Look at all the pictures. That little button right there. And here's the menu that has all this stuff. You can change all these things: digital zoom, standard, off, standard, and all that stuff. You can look more into that. Yeah. I'm not that into cameras, but somewhere on here is the Wi-Fi. Oh, there it is right there. Because it does have Wi-Fi. It does have Wi-Fi, so you can connect to your phone. And here's this stuff right here. Date and time, mute, all this stuff, brightness, a lot of stuff you can look into. And this select image, all that stuff. So that, again, that's menu and stuff. And if you go to a picture and you want to delete it, you just go to here, click that top left one, and then click erase. But I don't want to do that right now, so I'm not going to. I don't really know what this does if you click that erase button thing whenever you're not on a picture. It's kind of weird. So then there's the zoom in and out. So yeah, then there should be an HDMI right there to plug up to anything you want. So yeah, there you got that. Just pretty neat, the HDMI. And what else do we have? Not much, but yeah, we do have this. Actually, never mind. So movie mode is what I'm on, the setting right now. So if you just click the middle button right there, this is how you get to this. So yeah, right there I'm on movie mode. And you do not want to do movie mode short clip. Do not do that. Promise me, it only takes like a video for 6 seconds. So then we have this self timer. I can time you, so if you want to take a big picture of people and you want to be in it too, all that stuff. So then if you go, yeah, keep going here, recording stuff, but then we got the movie quality, so we'll be back to that in a second. White balance, and then color, like vivid and stuff. really use that often at all. So yeah. So then so I was on movie mode, and then there's auto. And all there's this. So on auto, which I used to do, which is probably good for pictures, it only does 30 frames per second. But if you go to movie, it does 60 frames per second. You see, movie. So then portrait, sports, you can do stuff when it's moving, self-portrait, and this, I don't really know what that is. And then see auto. This, I don't know again, and these things are weird. I'm, again, not really a camera type guy. So yeah, that's about it. Now let's go onto the camera so I can show you some footage. So this is the camera, and this is movie mode on 60 frames per second, so it's really good. And yeah, let's go back into. So here we are. I'm going to show you some accessories. So move the camera out of the way. Here is the case I have it in. It's pretty good. It's solid. It will protect it if you drop it, and it has a nice little pocket. So if you want to, you can put your SD card or batteries if you have a spare battery or something. But it is kind of hard to get out, but you can get it. It's not too hard. So yeah, that's really good right there. Fits perfectly inside. So yeah, I'll have all this stuff linked in the description. So yeah, it's a low pro case, I think it's called. And then now we have this, what I use for vlogging a lot. It's just a selfie stick that you can screw on just like this with the bottom thing. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this camera does not have a mic input thing. But yeah, so that's pretty good to vlog and all that stuff with. So I'll just put that to the side, and that's cleaning cloth, doesn't really matter. But now let's go on to the tripod. So we're going to take video of that on the camera. So let's go. So here we are on the camera. This is my tripod. It's like I forgot the name, but it's really good. It's really durable. It can extend really long right there. And that, yeah. So that's where you put the camera, that thing right there. So you just get this out, put the camera onto that thing, and lock it into place. So then that you can tighten, and this, you tighten that part. Tighten right there. And if you look at it, it can go, if you loosen that, that's how you forwards tighten, back is loose, so it can go up and down, side to side. But if you do this thing, just the whole thing right here, like that, it can now go like that. I don't really know why you'd want to do that, but you can if you want. So you just lock it back in place like that, and we got it. So yeah, pretty neat. It's kind of heavy, so I want to use it for vlogging or anything like that. So, but let's go back on to the phone, I guess. Let's go. So sorry for the signal, it's a little bad because of the phone. It didn't do properly, but that doesn't matter because it's the end of the video. So don't forget to go down below, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the bell so you never miss another video. And see you next time.